Oh, look at this. So I'm sure this is going to be my favorite find for the day. One Step Wonder Gel Wet n Wild Nail Polish. Hey you guys, welcome back. So I'm in Dollar Tree, as you can see, and the first thing I see are these cute cards. Look at these. I have not seen these before. That one. This one is adorable. Look at him. Let's see, you got this one with the little chocolate bunny. That's cute. And you got these down here. Oh, look at her. She has the bunny has the heart-shaped glasses on, and they're actually in 3D. Yeah, this one. Oh, this is cute. I love the colors on that one. And this one. Now, I know I'm not supposed to be in this candy aisle, but Easter egg, pretzel Easter eggs. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get these. Okay, I don't think I've ever seen these either. Tootsie Roll eggs, individually wrapped. I think I need to get these just to see what they're about. Oh, look at these are cute too. Junior Mints eggs. So Junior Mints that's shaped like eggs. Dollar Tree has some cute candy right now. Goodness. Okay, so right here we have the One Step Wonder Gel, and you guys, I recently saw this online at like Amazon and a few other places for like $6, and these are in the Dollar Tree. So they have their One Step Wonder Gel, and this color is Scientific Method. Then you got Pardon My Peach. This is Pale in Comparison. So it's like a kind of like a pinkish kind of color. And then you got By Felucia. That says By Felucia. Felucia. Oh my goodness. And it's like a fuchsia color. That's cute. And then you got Lavender Out Loud. Like that. And then I also see this one. And that is Under My Plum. And then next to it, I see LA Colors Spring Into New Beauty. And that looks like all kind of like spring colors. Really pretty. Look at that. And then this one was over here. And then this one. And these are, they say nude trend on them. So that's what that looks like. Okay, now I can't really see up here because it's behind this glass and I am literally on my tippy toes. But here's another thing that says spring into New Beauty. So I'm thinking this is like their spring collection. And these are jelly polishes. And LA Colors is always in the Dollar Tree, but I think these may be some new colors. And they're really, really pretty. I like this purple one. And then here's another one that says the same thing, but look at those colors. Really, really bright. And this one on the end has the like confetti look. Those are cute. Okay, so now I see some more over here, and it kind of just looks like they just did new packaging for spring, because most of this stuff has already been in Dollar Tree. But I can say the packaging on this, well, the display is super cute. So you have the mascaras, the contour, you got the eyeshadows. Up here I see the shiny lip gloss, and you have these colors, the red, that coral color. Those are pretty, and they do say shiny. Then you have the shiny lipsticks, which look like somebody already kind of got into. That purple is pretty. Here's the highlight, face contour and highlight pencils. And there's different colors. You got fair, light medium, medium tan, and medium deep. Up here is the lip oils. That was here. But like I said, the new display. These, I'm not too sure if I remember seeing these. I think it's just new packaging and it's kind of throwing me off. but these colors are pretty. This one is drenched. It says High Shine Formula. This one is called Jellylicious. Then you got Punchy. That's pretty. This one is called Dreamy, Clear, and Peppy. That's a red. And then up here, for sure, I don't think I've seen those. These are called Mermaid Shimmer Shadow Pencils. And there's a few different ones. Like that. And then the brow pencils. Also, they have the Bolero. They have the Peonies and Pear that I showed in my other video. But then, when I showed you guys that, my store didn't have the watermelon and mint yet. So they have that now. And I will definitely be getting a few of the face wipes. Somebody stole that. That's horrible. But they have this. I still see the pineapple, coconut, and lime. And it doesn't even really look like anybody's buying any of it. They don't know what they're missing, huh, you guys? And then the coconut and verbena. Okay, you guys, I have to show you this. This is like my worst nightmare when I come to Dollar Tree. When I see the boxes like this, I'm like, no, I'm here too early. And then I always wonder what's in them. Sometimes I can sneak and look at the pictures, but guess I'll have to come back. And then look, you see more down there. Oh my gosh. In a different location, they have the shampoos and the conditioners to the Bolero sets. The watermelon. They look interesting, but I'm not going to purchase any. These have been here. I don't remember that one though. Lemon sugar. And they have the bath bombs. And the fizzers. So they got some new art. It's the little things in life. Home is where our family gathers. This one says blessed. Home is where I hang this sign. That's funny. The best things in life aren't things. Isn't that true? Our nest is best. Good things are coming. And then I see that back there. What is that? And rise and shine. That one say wild and free. Okay, so this is different. They usually have this one right here with the ball on the top. These are new. I've never seen these with the little flower on the top instead of that ball. That's kind of cute. And they come in, I see pink and like an orange color. But they still have lots of succulents. And of course, for some reason, socks just jump out at me. It's like they know I'm coming, so they put out new socks. Here's some more French fries. They keep doing, some of them are the same food, but they'll do different patterns. This is new. That's cute. Here's some toast and bacon and eggs. The popcorn. Look at these donuts. Oh my goodness. And look at that, some pickles. Those are the ones, okay, those are the beer caps. And then here's some beer cups with the froth on top. So that's what that is. And then you have a burger sock, a whole sock that's a burger. Oh, and there's fries. I think that's fries. Yeah, fries at the bottom by the foot. And the top is the burger. And then they also have mustard and ketchup. I don't know which ones I'm gonna get. I might get one or two pair, but I really don't need any more socks. I think I should get this one. I love pickles. I might get that. Yeah, maybe just those two. I don't need the donuts, but they're cute. Oh, look at these pretty angels with the sparkly wings. I showed these the other day on Instagram. This one says peace. This one has the gold heart. There is one missing. I forgot what it said, but there's another angel. I think it was love, I think. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen these like 2 days ago. But these are really, really cute. Oh, look, they got some dryer balls. Softens fabrics without chemical fabric softeners. So you get 2 of them in a pack, and I see pink and I see blue. This is my first time seeing this. I don't know. Raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with mother. I wonder how good this is, because I drink apple cider vinegar with mother, but I use the other brand. This is interesting. Okay, let's see, when does this expire? January 2021. That's kind of cool. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. The makeup was pretty much all I saw for today. Like I said, all of these boxes are out, so I'm sure I'll be back soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.